prizes. Work a chair. And this is my Marley show. And what we're going to do is we're going to get somebody that has a story about being really drunk.
What's a drunk story?
A really good drunk story. One person. Otherwise it ruins the whole show. Okay. Did you raise your hand? You raise your hand. Get up here. Thank you, lady. Let's go. You don't think I'm fun. Okay, this is Wendy. Wendy. Tell us about this drunken debacle you had. Okay, New York, like the city, upstate.
Ooh, the city. Ooh.
Yeah. And I don't know what happened. We were running around the city, and then we were in a car, and I don't remember that. I feel I woke up on a porch somewhere upstate.
Yeah, who were you with?
Yeah, who were you with?
You know, there were random people on the driveway. One was fine, and my other group had vomit on it. It was so gross.
Food? You have vomit full of...
Yeah, I don't know. I had like juice on both bones missing. I was in the bush waiting and just waiting for some of my friends to
What were you guys drinking? Everything.
Yeah. Okay, so you're a bartender in New York City, and you ended up in upstate on this tire swing, on a porch swing. On a porch swing. All right. So, all right, everybody give Wendy a hand. Where are we going? Gotta go to Uncle Dave's.
All right.
Why do you think we're on a highway?
Yeah. That is why we're on the highway. That's always why we're on the highway. Uncle Dave's house. At the end of the highway.
That's where it lives.
Next to the ocean. Because the highway just stops at Uncle Dave's. And then everything's going to be great.
I don't know why I always have to take you in my car. You should ride with Mom and Dad.
Mom and Dad will be there too.
Yeah.
The greatest friends I've ever had. You don't have to be sorry. I'm just happy to be here with you.
I almost crashed the car. Are you even watching what I'm doing?
I'm watching the highway.
Oh,
I see where it ends.
At Uncle Dave's.
Uncle Dave's house.
These guys both have beer dispensing hats on.
Well.
All right.
I lied. We're not going to Uncle Dave's.
What?
Okay. Thank you for your time. You're never gonna take me to dance.
Oh, God, no!
Nobody wants to take me.
You're our only hope to be cool. Hey, did someone say they needed a date? I'd love to go on a date with you.
I must have 2 wishes left.
I know what I'd like you to wish for.
Hula hoops. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. May I have this date for the dance?
Yes, you may. You're welcome.
Think of a date to bring Khrushchev.
We're going to be able to dance.
Maybe we can smoke in the bathroom.
Let's see that!
You guys keep smoking? We want to
Fuck you!
maybe let's not smoke. What do you We can smoke by ourselves.
Oh, I just want to know where I'm going to be tonight. You know, like when I wake up. That's why I'm just afraid.
You just wake up. When you wake up, like in the middle of the night and you wake up, you want to know where you're going to be?
Dude, when you take peyote, you don't know what the fuck to do. I've heard like it's like 3 or 4 days in the woods, and like you see Jim Morrison.
I heard
And it's
that.
just, I'm a little nervous.
I'm really nervous.
You know, Uncle Brownbottom, he's a chief. I really want to find out my heritage. But on the other side,
I didn't trust that guy. I didn't trust that guy.
I love him. He's my uncle.
He's got too many tattoos. I don't trust people. I don't trust people with tattoos.
My fucking uncle, man. I thought we were like best friends.
We're
You're gonna
cool.
talk shit to my fucking uncle?
Whatever, man. You have sex with my sisters.
I don't have sex with my uncle? That's fucking
I'm saying, man, this shit's really kicking in.
How?
Hey, uncle!
Uncle Brown back.
Bottom!
I'm on a spiritual journey, like our people tend to go on.
I'm just a little scared.
Oh, don't be scared. Nephew, Brown back.
Well, tell me. Solid proof.
Can I just add, you guys kind of have like racial hate for each other. Tell us more about your journeys.
I want to hear everything.
Wow. The female vagina it's like being inside of a
We're gonna need to
I need to know. A female vagina feels like a wet knapsack.
Oh wait, a female vagina. First time flying.
Yeah, a little nervous.
Yeah. I've been in 9 plane crashes.
And number 9!
Yeah.
I didn't think that was possible.
You can grow nerves of steel if you get back from wreckage.
You see any careers after that? 'Cause after 9 plane crashes, it seems like your nerves are like you said, like steel. So are you
I travel for pleasure. It's just,
He's actually the pilot.
well, let me get back to this.
Close the deal.